Hello, today I am going to be showing you this art kit, which looks like a suitcase and stuff, or a briefcase. So I'm just going to be telling you what's in it and how much room it can make. First, it's got some brush pens, some normal markers, a lot of pencils, some paint, it's the same pen except it's a little longer and it's got a fine tip. It's got some pencils and a charcoal pencil. And then it has some oil pastels. Oh, and then it's got a palette for paint. It's got four paint brushes. And then, so you can always have it like this. You can. It comes with more stuff, but I actually can find a picture that I did. So I'm just gonna pause it real quick, and I'll come back with. Okay, so I got it. So this is the picture I did. So I was supposed to do it with the paint, but I didn't want to. I just did it with the brush pens. I recommend you do the paint because these brush pens kind of ruined it, which I didn't care. So I'd rather you do the paint. So I really like this. I really like this kit, and I've been doing some pictures, but I got some. If I have anything else that's cool, I'll show it to you.